This is a seed. In other words, this is a dormant plant is on the inside of this. And also inside the seed is the food that plant needs to germinate or sprout. Now there's 3 things that you need to keep in mind that will help the germination of the sprout within this seed. Number 1 is heat. A majority of seeds need heat in order to germinate or sprout, and heat above 32 degrees. Number 2 is moisture or water. Moisture or water softens the shell, and it does 3 things. It allows the water to get into the baby seedling or the little sprout. It allows the sprout to get outside of the shell. And it's kind of twofold. So it allows the sprout to get out. It triggers the little baby seedling in there to grow. Number 3 is oxygen. You have your moisture softening that shell. It allows the water to get inside that shell to get to the little sprout. And the water is bringing oxygen.